teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. Now I'm going to show you how to play Moonglow in a very easy way. This is a very nice jazz song. Okay, I like this one. This is one of my favorite. Okay, let's play the left hand part with a single note alone first. So F, then the chords or the left hand part is the one that has box above. Okay, F, so the notes of the left hand is F, F, C, D, F. So it's on the upper part, G, C, D, F, C, F. Okay, and the notes of the left hand it keeps on repeating only. Okay, now let's play right hand part. Right hand part is the one that's in the G clef part, and it has already the note letter. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand F, F, A, C, A, C, E, E. Left hand C, A, C, A, C, D. Okay, E, then F, A, C, A, C. Left hand G, E, E. Okay, left hand C, 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 C. Okay, so left hand is C, D, F minor, C. Okay, again, I'll play this part. Left, right, both, right, both, right, right, left hand. Then this part, F, A, C, A, C, E, E. Then left hand, A, C, A, C, E. Left hand, F, A, C, A, C. Okay, next page. E, left hand is G here. Then C, 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 C. Then left hand is C again. Then another C here. G, G, F, F. Okay, G, G. Again. From here again, C. Another C, left hand. G, G, F sharp with a B here. Then it become B flat here. F, F, and then E with the left hand. A. Okay, and then left hand is D. E, 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 E. Then another left hand D here. F sharp, A, C, E, E. E flat, D, still in G. The G chord here. Next, F. A, C, A, C, E, E. Left hand C. A, C, A, C, E. Left hand F here. A, C, A, C, E, E. Left hand G. E, E. Left hand C, D, F, C. C, 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 C. Okay, I'll play it straight, my own way. And I play it with a full chord and chord improvisation. Okay, ready? One, one, two, three, four, one, two. Left hand. Two, three, eight. Da, 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 do, 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 two, three, four. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much and thumbs up. The sheet music of this Moonglow is in the description below. You can download it, print it if you want. So it's easier for you to play it. Thank you very much.